Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a PDF using Google Lens. First, confirm the Google Lens app is both installed and fully updated on your mobile device. This ensures you have access to all the current features. Next, launch the Google Lens application. You will immediately see a camera view. Ensure the app has permission to access your device's camera. This brief setup readies you to transform physical documents into convenient digital files. Once Google Lens is open, gently position your device's camera directly above the physical document you wish to convert. Aim for even lighting across the entire surface, avoiding any harsh shadows, which could obscure text. Carefully tap the document mode icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, to optimize the scanning process. This setting helps Google Lens intelligently identify the document's edges and text, preparing it for an accurate capture. After capturing the image, Google Lens will automatically detect and highlight what it perceives as the document's boundaries. You might need to refine this selection by gently dragging the corner points to precisely encompass only the content you wish to include in your PDF. Take a moment to review the scanned text displayed on your screen, ensuring all words are clear and there are no significant errors. This step is crucial for an accurate digital representation. With your selection refined, locate the Export or Convert to PDF option, typically found at the bottom or top right of the screen. Before proceeding, quickly confirm that the text and document layout appear as intended within the preview. Once you are satisfied with your review, tap this button to initiate the conversion. Google Lens will then quickly process your selected content, transforming it into a standard PDF file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.